Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick tech tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to edit your availability in Calendly so you can manage your schedule with ease. First, log into your Calendly account. On the left menu, click Availability. This is where you can view and adjust your meeting times. You'll see your weekly schedule layout. This reflects your preferred meeting hours and syncs with any connected calendars, so your availability is always accurate. To remove a time slot, click the X next to it. If you want to add new hours, click the plus sign and set the time you're available. For specific days with different hours, select the day and choose custom hours. This lets you adjust your schedule for just that date. Once you've made all your changes, click Apply to save. Your updated availability will instantly be reflected for anyone booking with you. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly edit your availability in Calendly so your meetings fit your life, not the other way around. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick guides.